Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The battery is strong and the key is ready. Once the reader is powered, plug it into the OBD-ROMAN2 port beneath the dash. You'll feel a click when seated. Turn the key to RUN. Do not start the engine, because the module wakes and communicates. Make sure to select the correct vehicle protocol if your reader asks, as that ensures accurate handshaking. Now press the reader's Diagnostic button. It will begin polling the vehicle computers and preparing to retrieve stored codes. Once the scan starts, let it complete every module. You'll see pending and stored codes appear. Pause to copy each code number and any freeze frame data. This shows conditions when the fault occurred and helps you prioritize. Don't ignore readiness monitors. If they are incomplete, tests may not be reliable. You should use the reader's short descriptions to understand the system involved, then connect those codes to the car's symptoms to avoid chasing irrelevant parts. Finally, decide if simple resets or deeper diagnostics are required. You can clear intermittent or resolved codes directly from the reader. Once cleared, perform a drive cycle to verify the issue is gone, because many systems need real-world conditions to re-trigger. After driving, rescan to confirm codes stayed away or returned. Persistent codes indicate a specific component test is next. If the reader fails to communicate at any step, stop and check the OBD port power, the vehicle's diagnostic fuse, adapter connections, and protocol settings. Simple electrical faults often
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.